ADHERE prototype program. It is end of September, just got out of work, started the 3 a.m. shift, and just wanted to give a brief update. So we're hauling ass to, get this next prototype built. Super excited. We decided to pass on Portugal for right now a lot of traffic going right now. All right, sorry, I had to cross the street. Pass on Portugal right now to be able to get the 3D printer. It was a tough decision, but we waited it out and decided that the prototype is definitely more important to get that printed and get that assembled. So we're moving forward with that. Super thrilled though, because we're only like a couple weeks away from being able to make the purchase. Then we'll fire it up and start printing. It's not the large format, but it's like medium format, so it's big enough to be able to get a lot of the large pieces printed out, maybe in 2 pieces to make 1 or something like that. So we're going to work on the model to get that correct. We also have slated a new computer that's going to come in to match that printer to operate those systems independently from everything else. And then we also have a series of other tech that's coming in. So it's a big tech purchase. Sorry, crossing the street again. Big tech purchase for ADHERE gear, but it's super exciting because of all the progress we're going to knock out over the next couple months before the holidays come around. So yeah, a little tired today, rough day, a lot of back work over at the airport, moving a lot of heavy cargo, still getting a lot of great insight on how to solve some of those problems in there. But yeah, so we'll give everybody an update later. As usual, ADHERE gear out.